What's up, Realtors? Today we're diving straight into how to write killer blogs using ChatGPT and get them posted on your website, social media, all quick, clean, and effective. I'm going to show you exactly how to use a custom GPT that I created just for this. And the best part is if you want it, it's yours. Just drop the word GPT in the comments and I'm going to hook you up. So let's jump in. But first, for those of you that are here for the first time, I'm Adam Gillespie and I help realtors like you level up their game with the ethical use of AI and proper implementation of your CRMs. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all things AI and CRM in real estate. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. All right, guys, so here we are. This is a GPT that I created called Blog Writer, and I've simplified the process to give you everything you need for SEO optimized blogs with one click of a button. So what you guys are gonna do once you get this Blog Writer GPT is you're just gonna click this button right here that says create a blog, and the GPT's literally gonna take care of the rest. So let's see what it says. Great, let's get started. So it's gonna ask me for my business or brand info, my city and state that I work in, the tone and style preferences that I wanna communicate in, but this one here is where it gets ninja, right? So it says, do you have a PDF transcript or a business information that you'd like me to reference? If yes, you can upload this to the chat now and just continue on. If not, there's a link to my free masterclass right here, which is AI and ChatGPT inside of real estate. And in this actual webinar, I'm going to teach you how to create your AI clone. You're going to learn how to master your calendar with AI, create endless video content, and dominate with Facebook ads. And then if you stay to the end of the masterclass, you're going to get these free bonuses, which does include the perfect prompt for recreating yourself in GPT, which is going to be the prompt you want to teach ChatGPT about your business. And then there's explanations on how you can capture your speaking style as well. And then you get another prompt for managing your calendar and 5 prompts for creating endless YouTube content and 5 prompts for dominating Facebook ads. So if you don't have this already set up, make sure you go ahead and register for the free masterclass, get that set up, and you will be good to go. So as you guys know, I've already done this stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and upload my business explained and my speaking style straight to the chat. And it's literally this simple, guys. I'm gonna send this through and check this out. This is where we end up. All right, so it says, thanks for providing the documents. Here's a list of blogs, right? So it's gonna give me 5 blog ideas. First one is why first-time home buyers in Denver shouldn't sweat the high prices. Top 5 up-and-coming neighborhoods in the Denver metro area, 2025 edition. How rising interest rates are changing Denver's housing market and what you can do about it. And your ultimate DIY guide to increasing home equity in Denver. And then the hidden gems of Denver real estate, homes with unique features under 500K. So guys, what I did is this GPT went in the background and it browsed the web for current real estate trends and data in the area that I told it to on my document. So that way these blogs can come out and actually hit based on current real estate trends and be personalized to you, right? So let's just go ahead and choose number 1. So you can choose any of these blogs. You can write them all or you can write just one. But here's where the magic happens, guys. So it's going to go in there and it's going to create this in my style, right? So you can see, hey, Denver peeps, if you're a first-time home buyer feeling overwhelmed by the sky-high prices in our beloved city, you're not alone. Denver's housing market has been a hot topic for years, and it's easy to feel like you're getting priced out. But here's the deal. With the right strategies, a bit of grit, and a trusted guide, that's me, you can still snag your dream home in this competitive market. So let's break it down. So you can see it gives a comprehensive blog that's in my style, personalized for my market, right? This is powerful stuff, dude, because we're doing this in such a quick amount of time, right? Talking about getting your finances in a row, being flexible about location and features, working with a pro who knows the market. Guess what? That's going to be me, right? And it's designed to showcase us as being that realtor, right? And then it has a call to action, right? So hit me up. Let's make the dream of homeownership a reality. Well, it also gave us our SEO optimized keywords. It also created us the meta description for our website, which I'm going to upload this to my website and show you guys exactly how this process goes. But then it even gives us our Facebook post to link to the blog and our LinkedIn post to link to the blog. And then guys, it creates an image, right? Now this isn't the best image, but it still did it. We can come in and we can edit that image or we can just download it. But this is a complete blog right here in just a couple of minutes, right? So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and download this image. And then what I do is I jump over to my Lofty. So for this example, I'm going to be using the Lofty CRM, but this works in anybody's CRM or website because you guys probably have a spot to put a blog in, right? So I just go over here to the blog, I click add new, I'm gonna jump over to ChatGPT, and I am going to grab the entire blog here, and then we're gonna just paste that right inside of our Lofty, like this, right? You can see it brings it in just like it's written in ChatGPT. So we can go over here and we can edit the title out of that, bring that piece up. We can go ahead and put our title in there. And now you can go even deeper with this, guys, but I don't want to make this a huge long tutorial. I just want to show you the basics, but you can add images, right? You can come over here, you can put an image in the blog somewhere, but I already have that image set up for the main part of the blog, which is going to be set up in my settings section. So I'm going to come over here to the featured image page, and I'm going to add, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to replace my image, and I'm going to grab that newly downloaded image that didn't show up because sometimes, guys, ChatGPT doesn't want to create that image into a JPEG. So what we can do is just tell it to convert the image to JPEG. Right? And I didn't even spell image right. So let's just see how smart ChatGPT is today, guys. It's going to go ahead and do that for me. So now it's converted it, and I can download it right there. So there it goes. So we can jump right back to the blog, click replace. Now you see the image showing up. So I'll just go ahead and click on that. Now with my specific blog, it's usually the image is a little bit too big. So I like to shrink that down just a little bit so it fits. So I'll do that. And then I'll just go ahead and add the image right in. And then now that's my image. I click this as the featured image. That becomes the main image for the blog. Then we can come over here for the SEO. So I jump right back over to ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and grab our SEO optimized keywords real quick. We can just copy those, bring those into ChatGPT, and then set them, or bring those into Lofty, and then we can go ahead and set that off, jump back over to ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and get our meta description. And if any of this seems short, you can have it expand on there too, very easily. You can basically just come back to ChatGPT. You can highlight this, you can hit reply, right? And then you come over here and just say expand on this. Okay, and then that'll create us a longer meta description. But for the most part, guys, this is how we set the blog up, right? So I've got my SEO optimization, I got my blog image, and I have the blog there super quick. So now I'm just gonna hit post now, and then you're gonna see this shows up here. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. I gotta readjust my image a little bit, but that's no problem. But you can see here, here's our blog, right? And it even has our little squeeze page to get the information on. So I'm gonna copy this, or I'm gonna leave this page open, and I'm gonna jump back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna grab this Facebook post, okay? We're gonna jump over to Facebook. I'm gonna throw that in there. I'm gonna move the brackets for the link. I'm gonna come back over here, copy that, come into Facebook, bam, there it is. Here comes my blog image. We are ready to post. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that out. We'll send that there. And then we'll go to LinkedIn and do the same thing. So we come right back to ChatGPT. We grab this, we go back over to LinkedIn, we paste that in there, we delete this, come back to our blog, copy that, and paste into LinkedIn. Now with LinkedIn, you'll want to wait a second, because if you hit enter right after you do this, it won't generate the image. So there you go, you can see it generated the image for us. We waited. Now I can just send this straight through. And guys, that is literally how quick it is to write a complete blog that's SEO optimized, personalized to you, and post it on the web in just a couple of minutes. Super cool stuff. All right, guys, and that's it. That's your complete walkthrough to writing and sharing blogs like a pro. If you want to grab this custom GPT and make your life 10 times easier, just comment GPT below and I'll send you the link. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with anyone who's looking to step up their content game. Keep hustling, and I'll see you guys on the next one.